song are going to be just the E power chord. And then this is a G sharp minor 7. I think the chord, actually, the E chord is actually a major 7, I think. But I just don't think they're playing it like that. I think they're just playing E power chord. This is your G sharp right here. G sharp or A flat, you could call it. This is another. I was just sliding up to this because it sounds to me like they're playing it all on the lowest strings. I've never seen them play it, so I don't know. I'm just going off the audio. That's my thoughts on that song. Thanks for watching. Bye.